Right, your choir mistress, reserve a special round of applause please for Sarah Hopwood.
Hello, my name's Sarah and I thought it might be helpful to know some of the songs that I've chosen and the themes for the end of cruise concert, and to also just be reassured that this is not a choir for accomplished musicians, it is a choir for absolutely everybody.
Buddy, you're a young man, big nose, clear the street, gonna be a big man someday. Got mud on your face, you big disgrace, kicking your can all over the place. Sing it! We will rock you!
Every single person is welcome. The theme to Howard's Way, called Always There. It was a great favourite in my family. My parents were both avid sailors, also cruisers, and they used to have their own westerly, and then they commissioned a Snow Goose Cat to be built in Durban, and they sailed it back single-handedly. And I have many memories, not just of them, but also my elder brother Brian. And so our first song is actually dedicated to them, and it's how I want to salute them, because they're not here anymore. But you'll also hear the policeman's song, and towards the end of the programme you'll be invited to join in and sing. So please join me and give a very warm welcome to the Braemar Choir.
When a felon's not engaged in his employment, or maturing his felonious little plans, his capacity for innocent enjoyment, is just as great as any honest man.
I've also got a couple of songs that we can sing for the church service, if it's okay with the cruise director.
This is what
2013 travelling with Fred Olsen, Cunard Saga and MSC. She's been immersed in music all of her life, running choirs on cruise ships since 2019. Prior to that, as a fellow of the Professional Speaking Association, she was a cruise speaker.
So please do look at your daily news sheet, come and find me. My name is Sarah and I really hope that you come and join the choir. We will all have a lot of fun and we will also of course be enjoying music along the way. I hope to see you very soon.